Hey, it's yayforyarn, and today I'm unboxing the March 2019 KnitCrate. So I got my KnitCrate in the mail, and I can't wait to open this up. And this month, they're saying that the yarn is like an extra fancy yarn, an extra luxurious yarn that would normally cost more. So instead of two 100-gram skeins of yarn, we're getting one skein that's 100 grams plus some kind of extra bonus, little bonus thing that goes with it. So I'm super excited to see what is in this box. Oh, and we get fancy paper. Oh, wow. This is beautiful and so squishy. This is crazy squishy. So this is Knitology Sheen, and from what I understand, everybody's getting the same colorway this month. So this is a fingering weight merino silk and cashmere blend. Yeah, you can totally feel it. It is so incredibly soft. Wow. But it has this really smooth texture, and it's got like the hand painted different colors in it. There's like some of this like a denim blue with this real light bluish gray and yellow, and then kind of this taupe color. It's a really pretty blend of colors, and it feels amazing. It really does. So this one is definitely, in my opinion, definitely worth only getting one skein, because this is super nice yarn. So I understand why that for the price that the KnitCrate costs, they can only do one skein of this, because it's really nice. And then we also get a little project bag. A canvas project bag. It says make something today on the one side, and the other side is blank, and it unzips at the top, and you can put your little project in there. I like that. That is really cute. I like the font on this. It's very like creative and happy, and it even matches the yarn. It's got a navy blue, or kind of that denim blue zipper on it that matches the blue in the yarn. And then here is our pattern book. So I think it comes with extra patterns this month too. So here is the yarn, and it's kind of, in this picture, it's laying on all the different pattern fabrics of the crate yarn, or the projects. So according to this page right here, one skein would normally cost $32. So the fact that you're getting this $32 skein of yarn in a $25 KnitCrate plus a project bag and all these patterns is an awesome deal. So here's the theme. It's called Whisper. And then I think this is the sock yarn, the sock crate yarn. And then here is a hat, a knitting pattern for a hat. It's called Bird Seed, and it looks like it has something kind of like seed stitch or linen stitch in it. And then here's a bonus pattern. Oh, okay, so this one you can only download, but these are bonus patterns that you can only get digitally. It's not in the book. But it says these bonus patterns use 2 skeins, so you have to buy more skeins if you want to make both of these. But these are really pretty too. And then here is what looks like a triangle scarf. This one's crochet. It has like some eyelet lace in there. And another triangle shawl. And this one is also a download only, but this one takes 2 skeins as well. And then instead of the artisan crate this month, the artisan crates have been done away with, and instead they are selling these fancy artisan crate type yarns in their shop that you can just buy instead of getting an artisan crate. So, and I think it had something to do with the artisan dyers. The artisan crate dyers couldn't produce enough quantity of one colorway of yarn or two colorways of yarn to be able to do artisan crates, and so then they're having some smaller quantities of these really fancy yarns instead of having artisan crates. So these patterns can also be downloaded. Here's a hat and mitts pattern, and then another shawl, and then here is the sock pattern. This goes with the green sparkly sock yarn for the sock crate. And then here's some lists of yarn podcasts. And then here are some of the artisan sock yarns that you can buy in the shop as well. And here is another sock pattern. And that is the end of the book. So here is the theme for next week, entomology, and these are all really pretty colors in this kind of mood board here. So I'm super excited to see what the yarn colorways are going to be next month, because these are all really bright and happy and colorful, and I love those type of colors. So I am super happy with what I got this month, even though we only got one skein of yarn. The yarn that is the one skein is so worth the price of the crate and more, and the fact that we got a yarn like this in the crate is awesome, because this skein of yarn alone would cost more than what you'd pay for the crate. So I'm super excited about this yarn. I love it. It is so incredibly squishy, and I'm not really sure what I'm going to make with it yet, but I might just kind of save it until I find a really good project for this, because this is, like I said, amazing yarn. And the little project bag is a great bonus as well. So thanks so much to KnitCrate for sending me this yarn to review. If you want to give this yarn a try, and I highly recommend that you do, because the yarn itself in this box is worth more than what you pay for the box. If you want to give this a try, then go ahead and click the link in the description box down below, and you can use the coupon code yayforyarn20 for 20% off of your first crate. But not only that, for the month of March, KnitCrate is doing a special sale that they don't do very often, where that if you buy the crate for March, you will also get a free mystery crate to go with it. So you're getting 2 crates for the price of 1. Now, I don't know if my coupon code will apply to that deal, but basically, if you order a KnitCrate, if you subscribe for a KnitCrate for the first time in the month of March, then you will also get a bonus crate to go with it for free. So it's basically buy one, get one free for March only for new subscribers. So that is an incredible deal. If you are looking to sign up for a KnitCrate, then I highly recommend that you get that, because you're going to get not just this yarn, which is already worth the price of the crate, but you're also going to get another free crate to go with it as a bonus for signing up during this sale. So I hope that you give a KnitCrate a try, and I really hope you get the discount during the month of March and get the buy one get one sale. But go ahead and click the link in the description box down below, and it will take you to where you can buy the KnitCrate and get the free one to go with it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you've ever tried a yarn subscription in the comments below, and let me know what you would make with this yarn in the comments below as well. And don't forget to subscribe, making sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks for watching.